He's stuck.
Top of some people, so he's not getting hit and dragging it to the ground.
Yeah, he's not even getting it.
Big hit all the way across with number 13, and it looks like Shark is stuck. He's holding
Uh-oh. It's Sparks. It's Sparks. I see Sparks.
One hit.
It's Sparks in that car.
So we've got the number 1, the orange car still running, the cruiser still running, and a little D.
Oh!
Come on, folks, cheer on your car. Make sure your car wins. If your car's out, pick another car. Keep cheering him on. 227 got some good hits. Come on, you got to get some hits. You got to get back in there and get some hits. Little Z's trying to make his way around. The PT's got to get backed up. He's got it in reverse. Let's see if he can get going. The number 3 got back running again. He can't get a hit. He's got to get a hit on something. If you go a minute without hitting something, you're out. Shark is still trying to get loose.
You missed! There it is!
We got 5, 6 cars going. We still got 6 cars in this heat. 6 cars are still able to go. Little D gets
Flip him over. Flip him over.
Yeah!
I think he's got some big traction. So he's able to get moving. Big hit on the cruiser. Cruiser just got him
Down here. I'm going to take this for him in a minute, okay?
Wait 1 minute. Those guys are going to go back out again. He's being chased around by the 227. He's being chased around by the 227. Who do we still got running? We got 3. I see 6 cars still running. I see 6 cars still running. The cruiser is getting a run at it. And they're still trying to get him unlocked.
You got to hit somebody. Hit him. Hit him.
265 down. We'll see it. 227. The cruiser still at it. Andy's making a big run at it. Andy's getting some fantastic hits. That number 88 is...
Get him. Get him. Get him. He don't want to hit nobody.